How to Become a Millionaire, Step-by-Step Guide. Welcome, aspiring millionaires. Today we present you with a roadmap to transform your financial dreams into reality. Becoming a millionaire is an achievable goal, provided you approach it with strategy and a determined mindset. We'll unveil the key steps to amass wealth, empowering you to take charge of your financial future. So, buckle up and get ready to embark on a transformative journey towards millionaire status. Welcome to Braylen AV. If you haven't yet, please like and subscribe. Number 1. Set clear financial goals. Be specific about the amount of money you aim to make and the timeline you wish to achieve it within. Clear goals provide you with a sense of direction and purpose, motivating you to stay focused and take actionable steps towards wealth creation. Regularly revisit and reassess your financial goals to ensure they align with your evolving aspirations, and adjust your strategies accordingly. Remember, clarity breeds success, and setting clear goals paves the way for a millionaire future. Number 2. Create a budget. This allows you to gain control over your finances. Start by tracking your income and expenses to identify areas where you can cut back on unnecessary spending. A budget helps you allocate your resources wisely and prioritize saving and investing. Regularly reviewing and adjusting your budget ensures you stay on track and make progress towards your financial goals. Number 3. Reduce debt. Reducing debt is a critical step towards achieving millionaire status. Start by prioritizing high-interest debts, such as credit cards and personal loans, and develop a plan to pay them off systematically. By lowering your debt burden, you free up more of your income for savings and investments. Stay disciplined and avoid accumulating new debt to maintain your progress. Number 4. Save and invest consistently. Make it a habit to set aside a portion of your income regularly, aiming for at least 20% if possible. By saving consistently, you build a strong financial foundation and accumulate a pool of capital for future investments. Prioritize long-term investments that have the potential for growth, such as stocks, bonds, or real estate. By consistently contributing to your investments, you harness the power of compounding and allow your wealth to grow exponentially over time. Saving and investing consistently is the key to building lasting wealth and achieving millionaire status. Number 5. Diversify your income sources. Instead of relying solely on a single paycheck, seek out opportunities to generate income from various sources. Consider starting a side business, investing in rental properties, or exploring passive income streams. By diversifying your income, you create multiple streams of cash flow, which can accelerate your wealth accumulation. Number 6. Educate yourself about investing. This is a crucial step towards becoming a millionaire. Take the time to learn about different investment options such as stocks, bonds, real estate, and mutual funds. Understand the associated risks and potential returns of each investment type. Reading books and listening to Braylen AV can expand your knowledge and help you make informed decisions. Also consider consulting with a financial advisor to develop an investment strategy that aligns with your goals and risk tolerance. Interested in starting a business to create wealth? Click the links in our description box below. Number 7. Monitor and adjust your plan. Regularly review your progress to ensure you're on track to meet your goals. Analyze the budget, investment portfolio, and financial strategies to identify areas that may need improvement. Be open to making necessary adjustments and refinements along the way. Stay vigilant and adapt your plan as circumstances change or new opportunities arise. Flexibility and proactive monitoring are essential to maintaining financial success and increasing your chances of reaching millionaire status. Number 8. Seek additional income opportunities. Look for ways to expand your earning potential beyond your primary income source. Consider taking on a side job, freelancing, or starting a small business. Explore online platforms that connect you with income-generating opportunities. By diversifying income streams, you increase the overall earning potential and accelerate wealth accumulation. Number 9. Automate your savings and investments. Set up automatic transfers from your income to your savings and investment accounts to ensure consistent contributions. By automating this process, you eliminate the risk of forgetting or neglecting to save or invest. It helps cultivate a disciplined savings habit and ensures that your money is working for you consistently. Take advantage of technology and online banking platforms to simplify the process and make it seamless. Number 10. Leverage your skills and expertise. Identify your unique talents and find ways to monetize them. Offer your services as a freelancer, consultant, or expert in your field. Seek opportunities to showcase your skills and knowledge to attract high-paying clients or customers. Continuously improve and update your skills to stay competitive in the market. By leveraging expertise, you can increase your earning potential and open doors to lucrative opportunities that can fast-track your journey to millionaire. Number 11. Invest in yourself. Investing in yourself is a vital aspect of becoming a millionaire. Prioritize personal growth and well-being by allocating resources to improve your overall development. Take care of your physical and mental health, as they provide the foundation for success. Number 12. Surround yourself with supportive people. Seek out those who believe in your goals and encourage your success. Surrounding yourself with positive influences helps maintain a motivated mindset. Engage in networking events, join professional organizations, and connect with mentors who can offer guidance and support. Remember, the people you surround yourself with can influence your mindset and drive towards achieving goals. So, choose your circle wisely and surround yourself with those who uplift and inspire you on your journey to financial abundance. Number 13. Consider entrepreneurship. Entrepreneurship can be a game changer on your path to becoming a millionaire. Explore your entrepreneurial potential and identify viable business opportunities. Starting your own business allows you to take control of your financial destiny and potentially earn substantial profits. Conduct thorough market research, develop a solid business plan, and leverage your skills and expertise to increase your chances of success. Entrepreneurship requires dedication, hard work, and resilience, but it also offers the potential for significant financial rewards. Dare to take the entrepreneurial leap and pave your way towards millionaire status. Number 14. Be mindful of lifestyle inflation. As your income increases, avoid succumbing to the temptation of extravagant spending. Instead, maintain a reasonable lifestyle and prioritize saving and investing. Be mindful of your expenses and regularly evaluate if they align with your long-term financial goals. By keeping lifestyle inflation in check, you can allocate more funds towards wealth-building activities and accelerate your path to wealth. Practice conscious spending and resist the urge to let your lifestyle outpace your financial growth. Congratulations, future millionaires! Armed with the knowledge and strategies shared, you now possess a powerful arsenal to embark on your path to financial abundance. Remember, becoming a millionaire is not an overnight accomplishment, but a journey that requires dedication, perseverance, and smart decision-making. Stay committed to your goals, continually educate yourself, and adapt strategies along the way. With discipline and a long-term mindset, you have the potential to shape your destiny and join the ranks of the elite.